A professional website is more than just a digital placeholder. It's the foundation of your brand's online presence. Your website serves as the first point of contact for potential customers, helping you establish credibility, showcase your products or services, and communicate your brand's unique story. But most importantly, your website is a powerful tool to turn casual visitors into customers. With the right design, functionality, and messaging, you can highlight your expertise and build trust, guide customers to specific actions like booking a service, purchasing a product, or even sign up for a newsletter. And it helps your business stay accessible 24/7, offering information and customer service even when your business is closed or where you're not working. In short, a great website just isn't an option anymore. It's something that your business needs to stand out and make sales. And in today's video, I will provide an all-in-one solution for your website. If you're ready to start a professional website but don't know where to start, UltaHost can be the solution for you. Whether you're launching a website for a restaurant, e-commerce store, portfolio website, UltaHost makes the process easy, efficient, and affordable. So here's why UltaHost stands out. It has reliable and fast hosting, so it provides incredibly fast website hosting, which is critical for delivering a smooth experience to your visitors. Slow websites can lead to high bounce rates, but with UltaHost, your site will load efficiently and fast. Then they provide affordable plans. Hosting plans start at budget-friendly rates, making it accessible for startups and small businesses. Plus, the pricing is transparent and there are no hidden fees. Then you get the built-in website builder, so you don't need any coding knowledge to build a stunning website. The platform offers an intuitive drag-and-drop builder that anyone can use. Now, one of the best parts is that they also offer pre-made templates, so you won't need a theme. You can just choose from a wide variety of professionally designed templates that are tailored to different industries, including restaurants, online stores, blogs, and more. The templates are fully customizable, so they allow you to create a unique site that aligns with your branding. You get domain and hosting integration, so you can seamlessly connect your domain to your hosting plan, and it is a smooth setup process. And other features as well, such as SSL certificates for security, daily backups for peace of mind, and 24/7 customer support to help you with any issues that you might have. Now, what are some types of websites that you can start building with UltaHost? It is honestly any type of website. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or have a small business, you can use UltaHost to start designing your website. So for example, restaurant websites, you can display your menu, accept reservations, and share your location. E-commerce stores, you can list products, integrate payment gateways, and manage inventory. Blogs, you can share articles, build an audience, and monetize your content. Portfolios, you can showcase your work to attract clients and collaborators. And service-based websites, you can highlight your offerings, showcase testimonials, and allow clients to book meetings with you directly from your site. So how do you build a website with UltaHost? And let's start building a website together so you can see how easy it is to use it for creating your site. So first, you can visit the link below to start your UltaHost account and select a hosting plan based on your needs. Then you can choose a domain. If you don't have one yet, you can purchase one directly to UltaHost or connect an existing domain to your account. Then once the domain is set up, and once your hosting is set up, you can log into your UltaHost dashboard and access the built-in website builder. Browse the library of pre-made templates and pick one that aligns with your business type. For example, a sleek template for a portfolio or a colorful one for a restaurant. Use the drag and drop tools to add your logo, business name, and brand colors. Customize the layout by moving sections or changing fonts and images. Then you can also add pages such as About Us, Services, Contact, and Shop based on your needs. Now, the really cool thing is that you can integrate different features for different types of websites. So for example, for a restaurant, you can choose an interactive menu or booking form. For e-commerce, you can upload product listings, connect payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, and enable shipping options as well. For blogs, you can set up categories and tags to categorize your content. Now, another thing your website really needs for professionalism is to optimize for mobile. Many users are using mobile to browse through social media where they find your website and things like that, so you need to have your website optimized for mobile. UltaHost templates are already responsive, but make sure to double check how everything looks on phones and tablets. And of course, make the adjustments needed. Now, if you haven't connected your domain, make sure to go to domain settings in your UltaHost dashboard and follow the step-by-step instructions to link the domain to your site. And before publishing, make sure to test your site to ensure that everything works smoothly. You can check navigations, links, forms, and loading speed. And then it's time to publish your website and take a look at the amazing designs you've created with UltaHost. So as you just saw in this video, building a professional website doesn't have to be complicated or super expensive. With UltaHost, you get everything you need to create a stunning, functional website and turn your visitors into customers. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, make sure to visit UltaHost in the link below and start your website today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below because I post these types of videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!